Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, we are going to review UPDF Converter, which is all-in-one solution to convert your PDF files into different file formats. You can download a free 7-day trial from their website and the link is given in the video description. In just a few clicks, you can convert your PDF files into Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, PowerPoint presentation, and images. After downloading and installing UPDF Converter, when you open it for the first time, then it can ask you if you want to continue with the trial version or can go and buy the professional version, which unlock all the features like, there is no conversion limits, and you can even convert the PDF files secured with a password. Keep in mind that, in trial version, you will be able to convert only the first page of the PDF files, and for password-protected PDF files, you must enter the password manually. So, let's continue with the trial version and see what it has to offer us. Upon opening the UPDF Converter, you are presented with a very small interface asking you to add the files, choose the file format in which you want to convert your PDF file and then hit the Go button, and we don't even need much than that when we only need to convert files. Let's try a few conversions and see how it works. You can either drag and drop the files directly on this window, or you can click the Add Files button and choose the PDF files that you wish to convert. You can select more than one file by holding the Control key. Once the files are in the queue, you can configure further options by clicking the 3 dots button, and there you can use the OCR feature, which we will talk about shortly, and can also specify the page range that you wish to convert. Now, select the file format in which you want to convert those PDF files to. Click the Go button and it will ask you for the location to save the converted PDF file. If any of the PDF file is secured with a password, and then you will see a lock sign. You can click this lock sign in the trial version and can then enter the password manually. In the Pro version, it will automatically try to unlock your PDF file by removing the password. Keep in mind that while choosing the file format from the list in which you want to convert your PDF files added into the list, then you will only be able to select only one file format for all the files. Like, if you choose Word, then it will convert all the files into Microsoft Word document format, and if you choose PowerPoint, then all the PDF files will get converted into a presentation. You cannot select or choose different file formats for different files in the list. You can clear the conversion list by clicking on the menu button, and then choose Clear List and then click on Remove. You can also remove a particular file from the list by right-clicking on it and then choose Remove. Let's first convert this certificate PDF file into a PowerPoint presentation and see how the conversion goes. The conversion from PDF to presentation is excellent and the conversion was fast. Now, let's convert this password-protected ITR PDF file into an image. You can also select the image file format while converting your PDF into image. I will go with JPEG. As the ITR PDF is in Hindi language but not in English, so if I will convert it to any other format like a Word document, then you might not see the same conversion results as the Hindi font will be not available on your system. Let's convert this salary statement PDF file into an Excel worksheet and see how it goes. The conversion is good, but some of the data has been placed on different worksheets. Finally, there we have a PDF file with a scanned image, and we need to convert this file into Word document, and we also need to edit the text later. So, after adding the file, I will click the 3 dots button and will enable the OCR feature. After a successful conversion, you can easily edit those converted files in Microsoft Word. So, the OCR feature also works well in UPDF Converter. So, if you need to convert a lot of PDF files into different file formats, then you can think of buying this UPDF Converter, which will cost you around $20. I hope this review video might be helpful for you. Let us know by liking, sharing, and commenting on this video. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Bye and